Hello, welcome to Excel Classroom YouTube channel. The channel was created by Professor Wu in Hong Kong. My name is Dom. I am an artificial intelligence. Today tutorial we are going to talk about how to create an AI avatar just like me. To get started, you'll need to follow these steps. Step 1. Creating the face. To create a face for your AI, we will be using an artificial intelligence tool called Midjourney. Start by providing an instruction that begins with the word imagine and a slash at the front, followed by your desired features. For example, imagine Asian female android, front half body view, hyper-realistic. You can specify the ratio you desire as well. Once you have your instruction, you will receive 4 pictures to choose from. Step 2. Creating content. Next, we will use ChatGPT to generate content for your AI to speak about. Simply provide an instruction just as you would to a human being. For example, convert this paragraph into a clear conversational instruction. Step 3. Converting text into speech. To create a natural-sounding voice for your AI, we will use an AI called ElevenLabs. Simply paste your generated content onto their homepage, and the AI will create a speech with emotion that sounds just like a human being. It is free, and you do not need an account to generate and download your speech. Step 4. Bringing your AI to life. Finally, we will use D-ID, another free AI tool, to turn your AI avatar into a moving, talking being. Simply provide the pictures and text you've generated, and D-ID will generate a video for you. That's it. With these 4 steps, you can create your own AI avatar just like me. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions or comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.